Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do this wavy hair look. It's kind of 90s inspired. I think the 90s are making a comeback, I don't know, but I saw this look in another Instagram, Nicole Guerrero, which I follow. She's been like my original YouTuber that I've been following for a long time, and she had this really cute hair style, and it kind of reminded me of that show Euphoria on HBO, if you guys have been watching it. So the tool that I'm going to be using is the 3-barrel waver. This is not a crimper. A crimper is more kind of a jagged edge, little lines. This is an actual 3-barrel waver. I got this on Amazon. I'll link it down below. I think it was like 25 bucks. It's a pretty good tool. It did take a little long to heat up. It heats up to 210 degrees Celsius. I'm not sure what that is in Fahrenheit, but it's pretty easy to use. And if you are interested in how to achieve this look, just keep watching. Okay, so this is my hair. This is just air dried. I washed it on yesterday. It doesn't have any product in it. This is just kind of how it normally air dries. It's kind of wavy, a little frizzy. I don't have any product in it, but it's totally fine if you do have product. So let's get into the video. I'm just gonna part it down the middle, just using my nails here, just to kind of do a little guide. And I always have these baby hairs here that just sometimes don't cooperate with me, but I don't know. Maybe I should use one of these little comb thingies. Alright, we're just gonna go with it. If you see some grays, you know, I got a couple of grays, but we can cover those up later. Okay, so I'm just gonna part my hair, and I'm using the Tresemme Heat Tamer. This one smells really good. I've been using this for quite some time, so I'm just gonna spray it all over my hair and do the other side. Just give it a quick spray, and then I'm just gonna comb it through to make sure I get any tangles out. All right. So I like to do one side first and then the other. So I'm gonna start with this side here. I'm just gonna section off the hair here and clip it back. I like to start with the barrel side up, so not underneath, but kind of curling up. So I'm gonna take a small piece and just start at the top and clamp it. Be careful with your ears, gonna burn them. And I just leave it for a few seconds and move on to the next. Once you're kind of working your way down, you don't want to pull on the hair up here, because you don't want it to straighten back out. So, and then again, we're just letting it sit for a few seconds, and then you let go. Kind of hard to tell, but got a little waviness going on there. And then I'll just take another section and oops, I think I pressed a button. I maybe hold it for like 10 seconds or so. Usually my hair holds curl really well, but for this tool, I'm gonna be honest, I'm sure you can probably find a better tool, maybe like one of those gold ceramic ones. I think those heat up much faster. So again, just kind of 10 seconds on each, and again, don't pull the hair, because then you're gonna pull off the curls. See, there's kind of a little wavy pattern. And last. Alright, so we're just going to speed through this, but I'm just continuing to do the same process throughout each section of my hair, and continuing to face the barrel outward while still kind of not tugging on the hair. So then I realized that the hair wasn't curling for some reason as easy, and I realized that I had accidentally hit the off button while I was curling the first pieces of my hair, so it had turned off on me. I had to turn it back on and let it heat up again. And then we'll continue the same thing on the other side of my hair. Just holding it for about 10 seconds each time. I decided not to wear my hair extensions for this look because, to be honest, the hair extensions that I have, they take a little longer to curl and hold. So I think this look, you can totally do it without any hair extensions, and it still looks great. Okay, so we curled all of our hair. As you can see, it's a little frizzy still. That's just kind of how my hair is. It gets a little frizzy, but we're gonna add some product just to kind of smooth some of this out and really just define the waves. So I have a couple different things that I use. I have the Frizz Tease by, no, hold on. This is the Frizz Touch-Up Cream by Freda. And a little bit of this goes a long way. So I'm just gonna, oh, I'm almost out of it. Oh, about this much. And just kind of rub it on my hands. And I'm just going to gently apply it on the hair. Just try not to pull on it. And it also gives it a little bit of shine. So you can already see the difference. The waves are more defined, and trying to tame these little frizzy hairs. Another thing you can do, just take a step a little bit further. This is the Sexy Hair Texture Frenzy 2 Shine and 8 Hold. This is kind of like a texturizing paste. Damien used to use this, actually. He doesn't use it anymore, but again, just a tiny little bit goes a long way, as you can see. And this stuff is pretty sticky, so I just kind of work it on my fingertips and then pat it on, just to maybe towards the ends also, to define more of this wave pattern. Maybe a little bit on my baby hairs because they, again, see, this is what I'm dealing with. They tend to go everywhere. So it's hard for me to get a straight part. That's just how my hair is. But then we're going to pin these sections back. I mean, you can totally leave it like this. I think it's pretty cute. I like how it looks like this. Or if you kind of want to go more for that 90s vibe, I like to pin it. Just get a couple bobby pins. You can also get some of those cute little pins with designs on them and stuff, but I don't have any, and it's kind of hard to find some that are matching. But anyway, I'm using just some bobby pins, and I'm going to clip it back a little bit, and we'll tame those little baby hairs in a minute. And then do the other side and just pin it back there. So you can also do this look here. And I'm just gonna get some hairspray. This is a Freda Frizz hairspray. I'm just gonna spray it, again, just to kind of define the waves and make sure that they hold, and spray paint these, I mean, not spray paint, spray these little hairs. And you can totally get a little comb to kind of comb them out. So there it is. You can also use mousse or gel, whatever. I think I want to put a little bit more of that texture paste and kind of get the little front pieces a little bit more defined. And this stuff is like sticky, and it holds. I mean, I really like it for hairstyles like this. So there it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.